call it quits? Is you gon' grind on up? Is you gon' man up? I handle all my responsibilities. That's when my money keeps coming in like wine move. Focused and determined like a boss do. And if you're doing your dirt, get in and get out, cause that bread gon' stale. Now they got you on lock or in the dirt, that's the end cut. I'm just speaking on it, cause it's in me. Each and every day, gotta do better till we get this cheddar and our kids grown, buy a new home. That's the dream, man. Move righteously, can't nothing stop it. Jealous wounds empty, treat them all like AIDS, Major Johnson style. Let's get dollars, let's work it out, get it in. God first, family next. That's how we do it.